The presidential petitions have closed and the 6 justices under President and Chief Justice David Maraga have retired to write the judgment. As they begin this most arduous part of the petitions, I urge them to listen to the echo of the words of Socrates that reverberate across the centuries. He said, 4 things that belong to a judge: to hear courteously, to answer wisely, to consider soberly, and to decide impartially. The 20-odd lawyers that made submissions gave as many interpretation on similar issues as their number. The judges have the exclusive duty of cutting through the thicket and give us a conclusion that is based only on the Constitution. With humility, I suggest that they decide the following issues only. 1. When is presidential elections said to be legitimate? What turnout and nationwide spread of elections gives legitimacy? Supreme Court Judges.Photo Nation. Read also, Supreme Court finalises hearing petition challenging Uhuru's win too. When and how is EBC said to be independent? And is the chairman singular leadership or tyranny of majority commissioners measure of independence? How do we ring-fence EBC from being a political party marionette? 3. What level of violence negates elections? Who is to blame for violence? Inaction or action of national security who have monopoly of violence or political parties militia? 4. How do we make sure future elections are trusted by all? In Germany, elections are done same day with famous Berlin Marathon and no one misses a beat. The judges have been listening to a petition challenging Uhuru Kenyatta's win in the repeat election. Photo Uhuru Kenyatta, Facebook. Read, I don't look over your backs. Don't make the judgment a love letter to either Jubilee or NASA. Be like the U.S. Supreme Court judges whose judgments are worth gold, and not Brazil Supreme Court whose judgments no one reads or respects. And finally, in writing your judgment, listen to Francis Bacon. He said, Divinatio non interpretatio estate, quam nino recidit litera, departing from the letter of the law is not interpretation but guesswork. Let it offer clarity and wisdom. Let it still be relevant to Kenya 100 years from now, and don't leak before you read it on Monday. Judgment.html number 258114.